Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company FinFrock Marketing. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays from $20 to $30 an hour. FinFrock Marketing is a 12-year-old company that provides digital content marketing, custom website development, SEO, and consulting services to a broad range of industries, with many clients in the medical, wellness, real estate, investing, travel, manufacturing, and scientific sectors. Looking for candidates with 2+ years of proven experience as a social media manager. Operate the day-to-day social media calendar, publishing, active community management, and ensure channel best practices are being met for clients. Oversee the scheduling and implementation of all content. Includes owning initiation of the content and implementation of best practices in collaboration with management. You will need to be organized, detail-oriented communicator, and maintain the ability to prioritize multiple calendar projects in a timely manner, as well as a self-starter who works well under limited supervision and can work both independently and with a team. The social media manager will stay up to date with current marketing trends, best practices for social media engagement, and monitor the industry news cycle and trends with the end goal of improving our clients' brand awareness. Being familiar with social media management tools, being familiar with Google Workspace, must be able to speak and write fluently in English. This is a part-time remote position. Although the position is contract, we prefer to form a long-lasting relationships and provide steady work to those who work with us. Pay will be determined according to the candidate's qualification and number of clients assigned. Please submit your resume and links of work. This is a part-time, pays $20 to $30 an hour. Bachelor's degrees is preferred, not required, and experience at least 1 year preferred of social media content writing. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not for you, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. For you to keep up, hit the like button, also subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll always be notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.